Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a fundamental shift in how you should be talking to AI. We're going to break down how just a few simple changes in your approach can unlock some pretty exponential gains in your work.
So let's just start with a really crucial question. The sources we're looking at suggest that the biggest limitations we see in AI, well, they're often the ones we're putting there ourselves. We are literally trapping its potential without even realizing.
This is all about moving from being a commander, micromanaging every single little move, to becoming a collaborator, guiding a powerful partner toward a final, shared goal. Okay, let's dive into our first big revelation here. To get the absolute most out of your AI, you need to stop trying to teach it. Think about it this way, right? When you act as the teacher, you basically put a ceiling on the AI's output. It can only be as good as what you already know. But the moment you flip that script and become the student, you allow the AI to teach you, and that's when you unleash its vast and, frankly, superior knowledge base. So here's the crucial point. Stop seeing AI as just a simple tool, like a hammer you pick up for one specific job. You need to start seeing it as your design partner for the entire project, the whole shebang.
And I absolutely love this master chef analogy. It's perfect. The AI isn't there to just cook the one dish you ask for. It's capable of planning the entire banquet, from the appetizers to the dessert, if you just give it the chance. And this really gets to the heart of how you should be giving instructions. Don't dictate a turn-by-turn route. Instead, declare the destination. Tell the AI where you want to end up, like an emperor giving a decree, and let it use its incredible logic to find the best possible path to get there.
Okay, let's move on to our second key insight, because it turns out that how you communicate with your AI, well, it changes absolutely everything. The source material is so emphatic here. If you are still typing your prompts, you are not maximizing the AI's potential. It is just that simple. You're leaving a ton of value on the table. I mean, just look at the numbers. They tell the whole story. The average person types maybe 80 words per minute, but we speak closer to 300. That is 4 to 5 times more information. It means you can feed the AI a much, much richer and more detailed prompt in a fraction of the time. And it's not just about speed. Speaking captures your raw, unfiltered thoughts, all the complexity, the emotion, the nuance that we automatically edit out when we try to type. All of that stuff is incredibly valuable data for the AI. Now, for what might be the most surprising part of this whole thing. A few totally counterintuitive commands that can dramatically, and I mean dramatically, change the quality of the AI's response. And these are definitely not what you'd expect. So, how do you get the most detailed, comprehensive, from the ground up explanation possible from an AI? Well, you start by admitting that you're a complete beginner. Yeah, according to the sources, this exact phrase, "Sayas orangan dungu," which translates from Malay to "I am a dunce," is a power command. By signaling that you have absolutely zero prior knowledge, it basically forces the AI to explain everything from first principles. It can't make any assumptions, which means you get a level of detail you simply wouldn't get otherwise. And here are 3 more little power prompts for your toolkit. First, if you're unsure about a detail, tell the AI awak tika, which means you guess. This lets it make an educated leap. Second, to make sure it actually understood your long, complex voice prompt, just say, repeat that back to me. And finally, be firm. The sources note that avoiding politeness, things like please, and just using direct commands actually yields better, less simplified results. So, let's tie all of these ideas together now and look at the ultimate payoff here. This is all about transforming your AI from a simple task doer into a true system-building partner. With this new approach, you move way, way beyond simple questions. You can feed the AI an audio recording of a meeting and get back a full report, a summary, and a task list. You can have it plan an entire video production workflow or generate professional-grade ad copy. It becomes a genuine system builder. The potential increase in productivity we're talking about isn't small. It's not incremental. We're talking about a massive, truly game-changing leap. Yeah, a 10 to 20 times increase in your output. That is the kind of productivity that lets you get 10 hours of work done in just 1 hour. According to our sources, this is what it means to truly dominate in the new AI era. The AI's ability has evolved at a speed that is almost beyond our comprehension. So the final question is a simple one, and it's for you. The AI has evolved. Have you?